Firstly, sieve all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. All-purpose flour 173 grams. Caster sugar 173 grams. Natural cocoa powder 24 grams. Baking soda 3 grams. Salt 1/4 of a teaspoon. After sieving all the dry ingredients in a bowl, add wet ingredients to it. Oil 104 grams. Apple cider vinegar 11 grams. Boiling water 207 grams. Now after adding all the wet ingredients, fold it with the dry ingredients. Mix until it forms a smooth batter. Use whisk to avoid any lumps in the batter. Now a smooth eggless chocolate dry cake batter is ready. Now we will take a 6-inch round tin and grease it with oil. After greasing, place butter paper at the bottom of the tin so to have ease in demolding of cake. Now pour the batter in a tin. Now this tin will go into a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, lower rod only. And now bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Now we take the tin out of the oven and check if it is fully baked or not. And we will insert toothpick in mid of the cake. If it comes out clean, it means it is fully baked, and if not, then it will take a little bit more time to bake. So toothpick comes out clean, which means cake is fully baked, and we will keep it aside to cool it down. After cooling it down, we will demold it from tin with the help of small palette knife. cake and drizzle it with chocolate ganache. And it's ready to eat.